Everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. For those of you who are new, my name is Brittany. Today I decided to do this eye makeup look and I used the Morphe 39A palette. I don't want to talk too much because I did talk throughout the video, but if you want to see how I created it, then just go ahead and please keep watching. If you hear some of the audio like wind going on, I have my fan on, so excuse me for that. But I recently picked the Morphe 39A palette, which is ginormous. I'm actually feeling to use like this corner here and with some yellow. We'll see how that ends up turning out. Jaclyn Hill always talks about this sponge. I saw my friend Gabby talk about it. I was like, let me just give it a shot, see how it is. I picked up 2 of their lip liners too, which is Balm, and a liquid lipstick which I might use today. It's called Taunt, which is, look at this packaging. So look at how much they've improved the form, like how much they've improved with the packaging. It's like a serious like upgrade. And I'm gonna use concealer to prime. I'll start with this shade right here, just kind of setting that in place. I've noticed that a lot of people don't like to set their primer in place. I mean, everyone is different when it comes to their own makeup, so whatever works for you. If you like to set it, go for it. If not, there's no rules. Like, just do you, girl. Just do you. So we're gonna go in with this shade called Define Me. I'm using that same brush, tapping off the excess, popping that on the crease. We're gonna actually go in with this shade right here. Now I'm gonna move on to this. Is gonna bring out more color. So I'm just tapping this color right onto the outer corners to make it a little bit deeper. Okay, so I'm gonna add just some concealer to kind of like make the next color stand out a little bit. Just a little. Going back with this little pencil brush and kind of like blending this together. Has no product in here, just whatever left on when I was blending earlier. We're gonna move on to the face. For primer, we're using the Golden Rose makeup primer. I got this on Amazon and it works really, really nice. I It leaves me matte. It works really well with majority of my foundations, which I was pretty surprised. But yeah, it's a really good primer if you have oily skin or a combination. You want to be matte, but then also like fill in the pores. Pretty good. It's also like a silicone base. A little goes a long way, so you already added too much. I'm just adding this to my T-zone. The thing about this primer is that you have to let it sink into the skin a bit and then move on to the rest of the face. So I'm just gonna let that sit here. So I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I got this a while ago and I took off the little sponge applicator just because, I don't know, just, you know? But I hate how like when you twist it up, it like doesn't all come out at once. I'm gonna put her on here. This is in the shade medium and I forgot why I stopped using it. So this next brush has been my favorite to blend out concealer and foundation. It kind of just brightens up your eye. But I haven't used a sponge recently up until I got this Morphe one. I'm barely going to use it today, so hopefully it's good. I got this concealer when they didn't have the extended shades for like tan to deeper skin tones. So this was right before that, but I know they have one for like tan to deeper skin tones, which finally I'm gonna use a drugstore. This is the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation, which works really nice. For me at least, it lasts on my skin. Yeah. But I feel like this gives me the coverage that I need. This sponge kind of reminds me of the Real Technique sponge. Kind of like designed almost the same way, I want to say. This foundation can give you a medium coverage to maybe full if you keep adding more and more. As you can see, I didn't add too much. So I'm going for like a medium coverage today. For the under eye powder, today we're using the Nye Banana Powder, which I've used in the past. And of course she makes a mess all over my room. I'm just putting that right on the under eye. Back my Sephora Radiant Drops. I've been using this every single day for the summer. It just gives me like a really nice natural glow. And blend it with a sponge. This is my Time Los Angeles brush. I'm just gonna set these smile lines real quick and then just whatever's left on this. For bronzer, we're using something different today. This is the Balm Desert bronzer slash brush. Looks like this. This is my Time Los Angeles 103 brush, which looks really nice. So for highlighter, we use the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit, which she's super pigmented. Very pigmented. I go back into the palette and then use the shade right here just to blend everything because I feel like it's a little too hard. Just a little too harsh. Highlight with a natural shade, this one right here. I'm gonna use Makeupgeek eyeliner. I just added some mascara. We're gonna move on to the lower lash line. It took me forever and a day to do my eyeliner because I haven't used gel liner in such a long time. I really want to add yellow on here. Just don't know if it's gonna. Lower lash line. For the lower lash line, we're gonna go in with this color and this shade. So these three, just a mixture. Okay, I'm gonna add the yellow just because I'm like so tempted to do this. Which I'm not mad at it. And I'm using it from the Karity Smokey Palette. the yellow I have. I can't find my loose gold glitter, so I'm using my NYX GLam liquid liner and putting that on the inner tear duct. I'm also going to add it on top of this. I got this blush in my BoxyCharm and I've been using it non-stop. This is Note Desert Rose, and I don't think I own anything like this. It's like a peachy, it's coming out pink on camera, but it's a really nice color. And I've been using it non-stop, and I didn't think I was gonna like this, but I really, really like it, so. Using this lip combo together. This is a Sweet Tea lip liner, and then this is the Taunt liquid lipstick that I mentioned earlier in the video. I set everything in place with the Elcie Hydra enhancer. So that is the end of this makeup tutorial. Let me know if you liked it, loved it, recreated it, something. You made it to the end of this video, and I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch my videos, and thank you. I'll catch you in the next video. Toodles!